and when his whistle you start, and when Mike blows his whistle again, you stop. Okay, over to Mike. That's using an interesting technique with the knob in strawberries and cream. Right, Wilfie. Dunking in the Dorset cheese. The competition is cheap. The competition is okay, so how many have we got? 6 for Duncan. How many Matt got? He's got 6 as well. He's starting 5. Right, sorry Duncan, Matt, we've had a adjudicator's report and it's actually 7, because Matt can't actually speak at the moment. What I have to say, in fairness to Dorset Tea, he had the Dorset Tea strawberries and cream when he was dumping his knob in that, and madam, his Dorset knob in that, and that's actually meant he has won this round. So, match 1, we need you back with, I can't remember the others now, Orlando and the other Matt for the final this afternoon. Okay.